Welcome to CarsNew channel. This time we will discuss 2026 Ford Bronco 60th Anniversary Package First Look. 60 years is an impressive milestone in the automotive world, and Ford is celebrating that legacy with its 2026 Bronco 60th Anniversary Package. Built on the mid-level Outer Banks trim, this special edition packs in the Sasquatch off-road kit and offers your choice of Ford's turbocharged 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder, or, for an extra premium, the twin-turbo 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost. Beneath its rugged exterior, the 60th Anniversary Bronco rides on 17-inch gravity gray wheels accented by vermilion red center caps, all wrapped in beefy 35-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires, LT 315/70 R17. Those caps pay homage to the original 1,966 Bronco hubcaps, complete with the bucking Bronco emblem and 1966 and Ford Bronco lettering around the edge. To make sure all that torque gets to the ground, Ford has equipped these axles with more aggressive final drive ratios and both front and rear electronic locking differentials. And if you need a boost stepping into this lifted rig, running boards spanning the Bronco's full wheelbase are included as standard. Visually, the grille echoes the first-generation Bronco's simple, sturdy design, here finished in warm alloy with vermilion red Bronco, lettering a nod to Ford's heritage model. Along the flanks, 60th anniversary decals add contrast to whichever body color you choose. The Hero example is dressed all in Wimbledon white body, roof and decals with the option to swap to a vermilion red body paired with a white roof and graphics. In both schemes, the spare tire carrier cover stays Wimbledon white, crowned by a red Bronco script. Fender badges mark the occasion, featuring the bucking Bronco icon alongside EST 1966, mirroring Ford's commemorative Mustang treatment. And eagle-eyed enthusiasts will discover a few cleverly placed Easter eggs tucked throughout the design by Ford's styling team. Step inside, and the 60th Anniversary Bronco continues its premium theme. Ebony leather wraps the outer seat bolsters, while alpine tone leather graces the inserts, each headrest embossed with a subtle 60th logo. Marine-grade vinyl armrests and alpine-stitched leather-topped dash surfaces tie into Bronco red accents on the instrument panel and center console grab handles. New A-pillar grab handles, now standard on all 2026 Broncos, complete the rugged yet refined cabin. Ordering for all 2026 Broncos, including the 60th Anniversary Package, opens in October, with pricing to be revealed closer to launch. Naturally, you can expect a premium over the standard Outer Banks model, but for fans of Ford's off-road icon, this 6-decade tribute looks well worth the extra investment.